What's going on, guys? So in the last tutorial we learned how to deposit money into Hugosway. Now we're going to learn how to withdraw it. How we withdraw money from Hugosway is exactly how we deposit it, just in reverse. From the dashboard, click internal transfers. What we want to do is transfer our money from MetaTrader 4 to our Hugosway wallet. Next, you want to select the trading account that you're pulling it from. Select your Hugosway USD wallet, and then you want to enter the amount. When you hit request transfer, the amount that you're transferring will appear in your Hugosway wallet in the top left hand corner. Now that the money has been transferred, we'll click on withdraw. Select the Hugosway USD wallet. Next, you want to select the withdrawal type, which will be Bitcoin. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Next, you want to enter the address of the Bitcoin wallet you're sending the Bitcoin to. The Bitcoin wallet address can be found in whatever app you're using, whether it's Cash App or Coinbase, and you can also copy the link and paste it here. Once you paste it, hit request withdrawal and wait for your funds to arrive to your account. For more how-to tutorials, subscribe to our YouTube page at Bold People Get Rich, and don't forget to visit www.bpgrinc.com for events and investing classes near you.